Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to set up exam tags on your learning space right on CloudNotte. The essence of exam tags is that exam tags enable you to separate your questions. For example, if I have certain questions that I want to appear on to be displayed on my midterm test, I can create a tag that says midterm exam. If I have certain kind of questions that I want to be applicable only on exams, I can create a tag that says exam questions. Or what if these questions are interview questions? I can also create a tag for interview questions. What if the questions are admission questions? I can create a tag for admission questions. That means every questions that I'm adding on my learning space, if I have a tag for admission, I'm going to use that tag and it will be easy for me to locate admission exams. It will be easy for me to locate midterm exams and different kinds of exams that I've set up on my learning space. So let's get started with setting up exam tags. Now, these steps are very easy. All we need to do is to click on settings. Right on our settings, we click on computer-based test. And right on our computer-based test, we have exam groups. If you're still confused on how to create exam group, there's a video already prepared. But now we are going to be clicking on question tags. Question tags. Right now we don't have any question tags. Now we'll be creating new question tags for our learning space. Let's get to it. All I have to do now is to click on create question tags. What is the name of the question tag that I want to create? I'm going to name this midterm test. That means every exam that I'm creating, every question that I'm creating that I want to be in midterm test only, I'll be using midterm test tags to do that. I'll be showing you in the next video how to create questions and place them under these tags. Now I'm going to be creating more tags. I want another tag that says exam questions. I'm going to create another tag that says admission. I'm going to create another tag that says interview. And once I'm done, all I need to do is to click on the submit button. And automatically my tags have been created. So this is an easy step on how to create question tags on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates of our latest video. See you in the next video.